And welcome back. Olympic sprint relay gold medalist Johan Blake says he has not yet decided when he will call time in his career, despite reiterating that next year's Olympic Games will be his last. Blake also gave details of his new training arrangement in a wide-ranging interview on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill with Jordan Fort.
2011 World 100-meter champion Johan Blake is not going back on his word that next year's postponed Tokyo Olympics will be his last. Blake, who has a couple of individual silver medals from the 2012 Games in London, says he may now just be getting back close to his best shape.
To be honest, that has been good. Preparation has been magnificent. I love how everything has been going. My body is feeling some like the 2012 again. So I just want to keep that feeling. I don't want to get too excited, and I just want to keep that feeling going into the season. And I'm feeling great.
The 31-year-old, who became the youngest ever men's 100-meter world champion back in 2011, is hoping a recent addition to his coaching staff can help him add individual Olympic gold to his list of accolades.
Michael Frater, I've joined it, the technical aspect, with the start and everything. Gregory is the one who has been there with me. So Michael come just to add the technical part to it now and just put everything together, the Titans.
Blake says the training group has up-and-coming athletes in former Merlin Otti high sprinter Akeem Blake and former St. Jago speedster Javari Thomas.
And also we are resurrect someone, Jazeel Murphy, and he's looking brilliant. Also Minzy as well. We have a lot in Kemar Bailey Cole, Ristan and Tracy. We have a couple. We have a wicked group, and also Alex from Switzerland just flew in and is training with us. So definitely.
In the meantime, Blake also offered insight into why he thinks Jamaica's men's sprinters have not been transitioning at the rate they did 10 or so years ago.
In the high school, they're not making that transition because they're. In the high school, is a business now, champs. They are training the young man them as professional. And when you come to the professional level, you don't start running until in May. When in high school, you're running every day. So it's a bit different to make that transition. And I've seen enough athletes can't make that transition. I was lucky enough.
Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.